Rigetti computing a path back to the 20 boundary at previous highs, helped by excitement over a breakthrough in its quantum computing technology. It achieved a record 99.5% median 2-qubit gate fidelity on its 36-qubit system. This new system cuts error rates in half compared to its previous 84-qubit chip. The 36-qubit system is set to launch on August 15th, followed by plans to release an even larger system with similar fidelity by the end of 2025. This, combined with optimism for the next earnings report in early August, could see a realistic attempt at closing up to new record highs. Though even if there is a minor dip, overall bullish sentiment can persist as long as price remains at or above the high $12 range and roughly stays within the incline of the channel. Another stock roaring towards all-time highs is JOBY Aviation. Strengthening tailwinds keep building investor confidence to fly higher. Its electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft commercialization prospects were bolstered when it was announced. Manufacturing production capacity in California will be doubling to meet expectations of producing 24 aircraft per year, while component production in Ohio will ramp up. JOBY also received a boost from favorable regulatory developments like executive orders, aimed at streamlining regulatory processes for eVTOL deployment, and the FAA's commitment to safe integration of electric air taxis into U.S. airspace. Impressive, but it's still important to note the stock's high market cap and lack of revenue make some investors wary. However, these kinds of concerns will be challenged in due time since JOBY plans to launch commercial operations in Dubai early next year, before expanding to U.S. cities, and has already started market readiness efforts in the region. Meanwhile, Unity's stock has united to finally make a decisive close back into the 30s, made possible in part due to positive sentiment about their ad targeting model called Vector, since its reportedly improved return on ad spend, upwards of 10 to 20%. Other bullish contributors relate to an earlier regulatory filing that revealed Stevens Investment Management Group made a new investment of roughly $16.2 million, purchasing 825,669 shares in the first quarter, giving the firm approximately 0.2% ownership of Unity. Although that's relatively small, the investment is seen as a positive signal, indicating strong belief in Unity's long-term strategy and growth potential. Other hedge funds and institutional investors have also increased their Unity holdings, suggesting broader accumulation of the stock. Roblox would know a thing or two about accumulation, with concurrent users hitting an all-time high of 32 million. Leading to expectations, Roblox's bookings could climb 37% in the second quarter. The positive sentiment was also driven by Roblox's announcement of a new tool, allowing developers to license iconic characters for use within the platform's experiences. This means intellectual property holders can integrate their characters and worlds into its games, partnering with companies like Netflix, Lionsgate, and Sega. The initiative aims to enhance user engagement and drive future revenue growth by offering recognizable IPs to creators. The platform's license manager enables rights holders to register and create licenses, making them available to creators quickly. Roblox's goal is to have 10% of all gaming content revenue flow through its ecosystem, and it plans to onboard more IP holders and explore additional license types. Then the low-flying stock New Horizon Aircraft has renewed hopes it could pull out of its recent nosedive, following ZeroAvia announcing its plans to collaborate on developing regional hydrogen-electric VTOL air travel. With a focus on evaluating ZeroAvia's ZA600 hydrogen-electric powertrain in Horizon's Cavorite X7 eVTOL aircraft. The partnership aims to accelerate research into infrastructure and certification guidelines for zero-emission regional air travel. Horizon Aircraft's CEO expressed enthusiasm about exploring hydrogen solutions for the regional air mobility market, while ZeroAvia's CEO noted the potential for hydrogen-electric propulsion to extend range and durability in eVTOL systems. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.